Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories. One is about new talks between the US and Iran. The other is about a new boss for WhatsApp. Please follow us to practice English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Hello, Sarah. Today we talk about the US and Iran. What happened in the talks?
Hello, Daniel. The US and Iran met in Switzerland. They want to make a plan for peace.
Did Iran agree to let nuclear inspectors come back?
No, Iran said it did not make new promises about inspectors. They want to keep control for now.
But the US made a change with oil sales, right?
Yes, the US allowed Iran to sell oil and get money in US dollars. This is new after many years.
Why is this oil sale important?
Because Iran needs money for its people. Selling oil helps Iran get money.
How long will this new rule about oil last?
The US said it will last 60 days until August 21. Then they will decide again.
What else did the US and Iran talk about?
They talked about opening a sea path called the Strait of Hormuz. This is important for ships.
Is this the first step to stop the war?
Yes, the talks are a first step. The US says the talks made a good start.
Who helped with these talks?
Qatar and Pakistan helped. They said the US and Iran want a final deal soon.
Thank you, Sarah. This is a big change for both countries.
Thank you, Daniel. I hope it helps peace.
Now, Emily, WhatsApp has a new boss. Who is he?
Hi, Daniel. The new boss is Kunal Shah. He started a company in India called Cred.
Why is this change happening now?
The old boss, Will Cathcart, said it is the right time to step back. He worked there for 7 years.
What did Will Cathcart do at WhatsApp?
He helped WhatsApp grow to more than 3 billion users. He made the app better for private chats.
What kind of company is Cred?
Cred helps people with credit cards. It gives rewards to people who pay on time.
Did WhatsApp's owner say anything about Kunal Shah?
Yes, Mark Zuckerberg said Kunal is a good builder and has a global view. He thinks Kunal will do well.
Will Kunal Shah keep his company?
He will keep some shares in Cred, but will work full-time at WhatsApp.
Is this change good for WhatsApp users?
Many people think so. Kunal has new ideas and experience with big companies in India.
Thank you, Emily. It sounds like WhatsApp will keep growing.
Yes, Daniel, it is an exciting time for WhatsApp.
Let's look at some words from our first story about the US and Iran. First word, talks. Talks means meetings, where people share ideas. In the story, the US and Iran had talks in Switzerland. Example, I have talks with my teacher every week. Second word, oil. Oil is a black liquid from the ground, used for energy. Iran sells oil to get money. Example, cars need oil to run. Third word, rule. A rule is a law or order people must follow. The US made a new rule to allow oil sales. Example: the school has a rule to be quiet in class. Now, a phrase from the stories, step back. It means to stop doing something for a time or leave a job. Will Cathcart said it was time to step back from WhatsApp. You can say, I will step back from work next month, or please step back and wait your turn. This phrase is useful when someone wants to take a break or stop doing something. It can also mean to move back a little, like when you step back from a door. Remember, step back is 2 words and is often used in work or daily life. Try to use step back when you talk about stopping or moving back. It is a simple and common phrase. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.